Welcome back to DTIT. My name is Dave, and DTIT is a place where someone can stop in for some basic IT help for common IT issues. Here at DTIT, I take you step by step through the problems using screenshots to see exactly what you need to do. I chose this format to help the new user or someone new to IT. If you find this kind of clip or format helpful, please hit and like the subscribe buttons. It really helps me out. I have many more videos to come. Okay, so let's deal with today's IT issue. Today we're dealing with directories, displaying them, creating them, and removing them using PowerShell. Okay, there's more than one way that we can get into PowerShell. Today we'll be utilizing the Start button, and the first thing you need to do is look for the Windows button right down next to the search area, that Windows icon or Start button. Click on that. Once you've hit the Start button, the list of possibilities appears, and you'll see where there's Terminal and Terminal Admin. We need the Terminal Admin because all these changes we're making require the highest level of privilege, and that would be Admin. So we're going to click on Admin. Okay, once you're inside the admin section to PowerShell, you should see your home drive there. In this case, it's C drive, users, and my computer's workstation's name. This is a starting point that we're going to be going step by step from. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is just displaying a directory. We'll go forward from there, but let's just start from the basics. We're just showing how to list a directory using PowerShell. All right, the command we're going to use is ls. So type ls and hit enter. Once you've hit enter, all of the list of directories will show that's available. So once again, you're going to type ls and hit enter to have the display of all directories on that machine. All right, the next thing we're going to do is create a new directory that will show in our list of directories. All right, here we are back at our list of current directories. So we're going to add a new one. So we're going to have make dir and space parentheses new directory parentheses. So that's what we're going to do. That's the command. As you see here from the make dir, we've named our new directory, just so it would be easy to find. It's successfully added and it shows that it was listed. Now we're going to go back and find that in the list. Once again, the command to list directory is ls. Type ls and hit enter, and our new directory, which has the same name, new directory, should appear. And there we have it. You see new directory now appears in our list that has been successfully added. Now we're going to remove a directory, and we're going to go in and remove that directory we just created, and we're going to show you how to do the whole process of removing it and relisting it to verify that it's gone. Okay, the command we're going to use is rm space and parentheses and the name of the directory that we're going to delete. In this case, it's new directory, and then hit enter. As you see, once you hit enter, it just goes back to your user prompt. When you see that, that means that that command was successfully enabled. Now we'll go back into the list again and to verify that it's gone. Once again, to show the directory, you're going to use the command ls. Type ls and hit enter, and you'll get the list of the directory again, and the directory that we made should be removed now. And there you have it. That directory we made, that was called new directory. We created it, we listed it, and we deleted it. And now we've verified that it is gone. So that's how you create and remove directories. I thank you again for dropping by DTIT. I hope you found this helpful. If you have, once again, please hit like and subscribe. I have many more videos to come that could be helpful to you. Today we were dealing with how to display, create, and remove directories using PowerShell.